In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon and select settings. Here you will notice call blocken, so just mark it, and now you can add a number smoothly here and by inputting the particular number. So as only it is entered, tap on block. Hello. Okay, so just confirmation, mark, then block, and as you can see, it has been added to your block list. Whenever you'd like to remove it, just mark on the cross icon to unblock some particular number. And this is it. That will be all. This is how call blocken looks in this SDK. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.